Please subscribe our channel Fajr TV to watch more that kind videos. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We will discuss today about pilgrimage. What is the history? And either the Hajj has been banned and cancelled or minimized before it, or it is the first time in the history of Islam that Hajj has been minimized, and how many people are participating in the pilgrimage today in these days, and who will be allowed to participate in the Hajj ceremony in this year, i.e. 2020. So, and what are the qualification of pilgrimage in this year? So we will discuss all the things today. First of all, Hajj was a nice thing and a blessing thing before Islam as well. In Islam emphasized, and it was mandatory on 9 Hijri, 9th of Hijra calendar. It was compulsory, and this is the reason that Prophet ﷺ just found one time in his thorough life, and in the same year Prophet ﷺ did the Hajj. So in this year, from 9th of July till 2 of August, the participant will participate in the Hajj ceremonies. And how many people participate in all previous years? 2.5 million, 25 lakh 2.5 million people participate almost all the years. So this became routinely procedure. So this year the people were also hopeful to participate fully as previous one, but unfortunately because of coronavirus as affected, this was a pandemic disease and it affected many people, many countries, and this was the same. This happened with Saudi Arabia. This is the reason that Minister of Religious Affairs Mohammed Benton of Saudi Arabia, he announced that just the people of non-native of Saudi Arabia will participate in pilgrimage ceremonies in this year. The different nationalities except Saudi Arabian native will participate. Just 1,000 people were chosen in this year by a Saudi Arabian minister to participate. All of them were from other countries like from Pakistan, from Malaysia, Indonesia, who were working there, who were living in Saudi Arabia. They were permitted to participate in pilgrimage. So what are the qualifications, what are the conditions for pilgrimage in this year, i.e. 2020, i.e. 2020? First was, their age should be less than 65 years. The second condition was their corona test will be compulsory for everyone. And third condition was mask will be compulsory as well. Fourth condition was there will be no touch to the house of Allah Almighty, i.e. Kaaba, and anyone cannot kiss the Hajar Aswad. And the fifth condition was social distance will be mandatory. And it should be also clear that many countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore also before it they had banned, they had imposed conditions that our natives, our people we will not allow them to participate, to go for pilgrimage in Saudi Arabia in this year because of coronavirus. And this is either this was cancelled before it or it was the first time. So this should also be clear that in 1831 when the Indian people participated in pilgrimage, there was an pandemic disease at that time. This was called Taun, and this was spread. Due to this one, the Hajj was cancelled in this year. Similarly, this happened after few years, like 1837 till 1846. This was almost 7 years. For 7 years, the Hajj became cancelled. Hajj was banned because of pandemic disease at that time. This should also be clear that when Saudi Arabia came into being, like in 1932 till now, this was not cancelled, not banned, not minimized. Just this is the first time that Hajj was not cancelled, but also this was minimized. The Hajj in this year was minimized. Just 1,000 people are participating who were not native of Saudi Arabia, who were nationalized of other countries.